Welcome to the long bone diagram video by Madeline Salem and Liberty Heavy. Today, to start off the video, because it's almost Halloween, we have a little joke for you. Why couldn't the skeleton go to the scary movie? He didn't have the guts. But I hope you found that humorous. Let's get back to the video. So here we have a diagram of a long bone. And first we can see the compact bone, which is this white, made out of a white toilet paper roll. The spongy bone next is right here with white cotton ball fluff, a little bit fluffed out. Next we have the lamellae, which are rubber bands. We love that creativity. Next we have the harvest canal, which is a little bit hard to see, but I think you can find it. It's right in between these two straws that contain blood vessels in them. Okay, so the osteosons are these big blue boba straws. The osteocytes are the straws with the stripes. And the osteoblasts are the stripes in the straws. And the osteoclasts, this is where we have our limitations, because the osteoclasts are invisible until certain hormones develop them. So on our model, they're invisible as well. Next, we have the dialysis, which is the whole length of this bone. I have really small hands, so you can't really see, but it's like that. That whole thing is the dialysis. Next, we have epiphysis, which is the purple sections. This is the distal epiphysis, and this is the proximal epiphysis. Because distal means further away to point of attachment, and proximal means closer to point of attachment. Next is the periosteum, which is this brown part, which is made out of toilet paper rolls that are brown. And then we have the caliniculi, which are the ridges of the rubber band. You see how creative that is? I just want to add that. Next, we have the lacunae, is the spaces between the rubber bands. So if you can see, part of the rubber band's up here, part of it's down there, in between there, that's the lacunae. Now you know. The more you know. We already talked about the blood vessel inside of the osteosin, but there's another one. Haha, you thought there was only one? You thought wrong. It is right here, also demonstrated by an orange pipe cleaner. Our bone is pretty amazing because, like a real bone, it can compact under shock and pressure. See, look at that. And thank you for watching.